This question tells us that a company makes 7 blue bicycles for every 4 white bicycles that it makes. Actually, the word white is missing right there, but that's what the question asks. If the company makes 20 white bikes in a day, how many blue bikes will it make? We can solve this by setting up a proportion table to help us organize our information. On the right-hand side in our rows, we can write down blue bikes and white bikes because that's what we're comparing. At the top, we can write down ratio because here we're not looking at a percent, but rather we're going to be comparing two things, the number of blue bikes and the number of white bikes put together. And in the right-hand column, we can write down the number because it gives us a certain number of white bikes and it asks us what number of blue bikes the company is going to make given the ratio of bikes that it makes. Let's put down the information from the question right here. Blue bikes are 7 for every 4 white bikes. And it tells us that it makes 20 white bikes in a day, and it asks how many blue bikes it will make. So how many, that's our variable, that's our unknown that we write in the upper right-hand box. Now, with this information from the proportion table, we can go ahead and set up a proportion. 7/4 equals x over 20. And one way we can solve this is through cross multiplication. So 7 times 20 is going to equal 140. And then we can divide 140 by 4. So 140 divided by 4. 4 goes into 14 3 times with 2 left over. Bring down our 0. And 4 goes into 20 5 times. The answer then is 35. Every time, every day, when this company makes 20 white bikes, it's going to be making 35 blue bicycles. All right, with a proportion of 7/4, blue bikes to white bikes. Once you feel comfortable with this question, go ahead and try the practice problem that is grouped with this question on the homework quiz for this week.